Alright, this portion of the video is the installation of the BX trigger for Ruger. This is just a plastic housing that goes over it so that the fire mechanism won't move up and down. Be careful, this pin right here wants to slide around a little bit, but you want to push these out, that one and that one. We're using a 4mm punch tool. Don't have to hit it hard. Since we're going to upgrade the trigger, might as well upgrade the firing pin. Auto bolt release, so you don't have to worry about this little stupid mechanism right here. And a recoil buffer, make it a little bit quieter, this piece right here. Oh, and put a better extractor in there. Two pins you're going to worry about is this one and that one. I'll push this in enough to take this out, but not enough to let that fall out yet. See the tension on that spring right there? Pull the trigger, let it come up a little bit. You don't want it to flick out, so now you can push forward. Spring came up. Just don't forget to put that back. So you're going to be replacing this. So make sure you got it lined up correctly before you get it in there. Don't push too hard down here. Enough, because you don't want to release this, just push enough to release that. Okay, you can feel it give up a little bit. Perfect. If you forget how to put this in, just reference your other one side by side, see? Make sure the spring is under the pin though. Get it started right there. Right there. There you go. Alright, just push it out through here. Put on a roll of tape. Everybody on YouTube is doing that, so that's what we're doing. It's a 3mm. There's a spring in there. Don't lose that. Put the square end of the spring and the tapered end. Square end towards the front, tapered towards the back. Just drop it right in there. Start your firing pin. See the spring in this? I just did that just to get it in there a little bit so I could beat it in. Alright, you want to make sure the pin is flush and flush. Test it. Alright, here's our new extractor. It came with its own spring. Alright, so we replaced the buffer recoil. A little bit quieter. Looks got a little dirt on it. Make sure the safety and triggers, the safety is in between. So you don't have to hit that anymore to release it. Good to go.